Hey there, everyone. Today we are going to be learning how to check availability of Disney Vacation Club rooms so that you can book your next Disney Vacation Club stay. So stick around. Okay, the first thing that we need to do when we want to check availability is go to the Disney Vacation Club website, which is disneyvacationclub.disney.go.com. Hopefully, you will have already set up your online account, which I'm assuming you have, which is why you're here watching this video. So you can click either sign in here or you can click sign in here next to this cute little Mickey. And then, of course, they'll change this picture over time. You can see here I've saved with my browser, I've saved my login information. I would recommend you do the same if you're on your personal computer. We have our main login screen, and there are a couple of places where you can kind of jump directly to checking dates. So right here, you can put in some dates and the room types you want and the resorts. And you can also have the option of choosing accessible rooms. And then you would click check availability. So you have this option right here on the first login page. If you have a current reservation, it will show here. And so you can kind of see your countdown, which is really fun. And shout out to my friend Chad, who got this fixed because it was counting upwards, which is bizarre. He wrote to them and then they responded and fixed it and made it count downwards. So awesome job, Chad. We are all very, very grateful that they corrected that. Thank you for talking to them about that. So the next thing I normally do is I like to go to my dashboard first. So I'm a big fan of the dashboard, but you don't have to go there. You can if you want, but I like to see it because it shows my plans. It also shows my points available, and I like to verify that before I book. But we're really talking about how to check availability. So you would go to this plan a vacation tab and click book a vacation. That will take you to the exact same place that this will. This is kind of more direct. If you were on the dashboard tab, you would just go to plan a vacation and then click book a vacation. Okay, so you're going to start your search. You'll select how many people are in your party. I never touch this. I never, ever even touch this because I know who I have in our party. I don't need to be guided to rooms. If you don't know the capacity of the rooms, this might be a good tool. I know how many can sleep in each room and I know what our family needs, so I just ignore this altogether. The default, I guess, is 2 adults. So then I'd scroll to the travel dates. We're just going to pick a date that's 7 months out. Let's pick the 22nd to the 23rd. And I'm going to pick studios just because I can. Here, I'm going to select, I'm just going to pick all the Disney World resorts because I want to see what's available. And then I click check availability. And again, if you were choosing Vero Beach or Alani or Hilton Head or something else, Grand Californian, you would select that there as well. So here, this is a nice little feature because I can modify the dates or the room type that I want here and then just click update. I'm not going to change that right now, but I could if I wanted to. Like maybe I decided I'm open to booking a 1-bedroom, so I want to add that on there. That's where I would do it. Okay, so I'm going to scroll and let's look at Polynesian. So that you have this kind of dashboard for every single resort, and you can see you have the banner with the resort itself. They will let you know here they're talking about some refurbishments at Polynesian, so that's nice that they tell you. And then you have these little panels for every type of room. So here we have a standard view studio, and this little arrow tells me there's more information. So I'll click that. And then down here, this is kind of the full availability outlook. And let's look at this map. And it is nice they added a link here to check availability for park reservations as well, because currently you do need park reservations. That may change in the future. Okay, so you can see here, all of this kind of light blue color means it's available, means that you can book this. Anything that is the dark blue, that's the date that I was searching. And then we have the bold box shows the selected nights that I'm looking at. And then wait list is these kind of pale blue, means not available. And the nice thing here is that you can actually look at the entire year. So I can scroll back and see that, wow, things are really wide open right now. You could go tomorrow and it's wide open at Polynesian. Also tells me things are going to be busier in May and June. People are more interested in traveling at that time. And now this is the 7-month window. So anything before this date, any DVC member can book with their points. And then anything after this date, because this is 7 months from today, anything after this date, only members who own at Polynesian can book these. So you can see right around the 50th anniversary here, like October 1st, 2nd, that weekend, that's a popular time. So a lot of people want to go then. But really the rest of the time, it's got huge availability, very easy. So you could click here and you could see that it's available for that one night, and they tell you the check-in, check-out. Now I could actually change that up. So I could say, okay, how about 2 nights? Now you can see there's my total points. I could say how much it is for 8 nights, and that's expensive. So those are kind of my options. Now let's look at a different type of situation with availability. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to find one that does not have full availability. So let's look at Boardwalk. That's a good one. When they're talking about the pool here, the refurbishment of the Keister coaster, which I believe just opened the other day, reopened. So here are the options available for that date. So we've got a standard studio available, and you can see this one is much more like inconsistent, where we have some dates available, some dates not available. So like here you have one night, but then there's a hole, and then there's a night available again. So that's kind of a little bit tricky, right? So you have to really tread carefully with those. Now, this button here says not seeing the rooms you want, view other rooms. If you open this up, you can see there's that Boardwalk view, and let's open that panel. And here we only have some of the nights available. So we don't have all of the options available to us. So, it's a little bit different here. This is where you would actually create a wait list, which I do have a video on specifically how to create a wait list. And that's kind of the beginning of the process right there. So you have the option to make a wait list, but you can see things are a little bit more complex, to say the least. One other thing I want to show you about looking at the room availability tool and booking is that you can view the room details. Here it talks about how it sleeps up to 5. If you click view room details, this is where you get a photo of the room, and then it gives you some more details about that specific room, the queen size bed, full size sleeper sofa, and so on. I like how they give the dimensions of the pull downs. That's pretty cool because I think some of them are a little bit different sized. And then what's in the room. And I think that this is a really helpful tool, especially if you're not super well versed in what all the different rooms are like, because they are going to vary a little bit from resort to resort. So that's pretty handy. And so you have this setup. Basically, all the resorts have their own little panel, and they show you the different options that are available. And yeah, so I don't know why, but Boulder Ridge, its little banner hasn't been showing up lately, which is odd. That's quite odd. I don't know if it's just, it's weird. It is in the same location as Copper Creek, but it's really not the same. So, and you can see here, here's Beach Club, not available. So that's how you look at your availability. And you can definitely, and again, remember, it's really, really useful to be able to scroll forward and back. You can see, wow, look how popular October and November are. So you can see Disney Vacation Club recently put out the 2022 points chart, and they modified the fall to make it more points because like basically October, early November, that kind of time frame. You can see why, because people are booking those like crazy. And that's 11-month booking window. The 7-month booking window currently sits right here on the 22nd. And because this is the 22nd of December when I'm filming this. So that's 7 months out. And you can see that basically at Beach Club, almost everything before that, there are a few dates here, but yeah, into the spring and stuff, this is very popular. And as soon as people outside of the Beach Club owners, as soon as they could get their hands on these dates, people are just grabbing them up like crazy. So that's pretty standard for Beach Club. It's a very popular resort. But boy, this is a really, popular time for DVC. You can really see it in the booking pattern. If you look at these, you're going to find that if you study them a bit, you can really kind of start to get a sense of booking patterns for different resorts. And you can really see when is a popular time for DVC. And if there's a room you are hoping to book in the future, you'll get an idea of how popular it is relative to other resorts. All right, I hope you found this video helpful to you in planning your next Disney trip or your next Disney Vacation Club trip. I will continue with more videos in our How to DVC series, and because I want to make sure you know how to DVC and get the most out of your DVC membership. I will see you next time. Thank you for joining us. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you know when our next How to DVC video comes out. We'll see you soon. And remember, there's magic in the music. Bye, everybody. Looking for more Disney, music, DVC, or family fun? Click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.